Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use a hacker class in a disrupt. So what you need to do is go to your loadout battle royale and tap this class page. As you can see, this is the hacker class. Is a subclass of the disrupt. So this is an ice pick. Disrupt the minimaps of all nearby enemies and prevent them from using their gadgets. And also immune to hacker class. And it has a passive trait. After activating this hacker, your movement speed is increased. Let's see the detail. Tap the yellow icon. As you can see, this is the class detail. If you activate this ice pick, you are going to black out the minimaps of all nearby enemies and prevent them from using gadgets. And this is another passive trait that you can get from this class. Hardwire. The radar in minimap will not be blocked by interference or detectable by the enemy. So it's very useful. Usually you can find this skill if you are playing in Battle Royale rank. So let's start to try in Battle Royale training ground. Welcome to training ground. As you can see, there are two enemies in front of me. Try to hack them. This is Ice Pick. So it do hack the enemy minimaps. They can detect you and prevent them using their gadget. You can try it in the actual rank match or another battle royale ground like a blitz. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.